Hey guys, and welcome back to Minizoo Reviews. Today we are having a close look at CollectA's 3 bird releases for 2016. We admire CollectA for their willingness to release unusual species, and the shoebill definitely falls in that category. This odd-looking creature gets its name from its large shoe-shaped bill. They are a tall bird, growing up to 1.5 meters in height, appropriately represented by this figure's strong statuesque features. Its beak is intentionally dirty, to reflect the shoebill's habit of foraging in muddy water. The bright yellow eyes and the ruffled feather highlights are also nicely true to nature. The feather detail is fantastic, and we love the non-symmetry of the tail. The legs, in our opinion, should perhaps be more pinkish grey, however you could justify the brown coloration as a result of wading through the mud. The legs are considerably thicker in proportion to the body than they should be, however this is necessary for the model to stand. All in all, a wonderful addition to the range. The wandering albatross provides CollectA with another unique species. This coastal bird has the largest wingspan of any bird on the planet, ranging from 3.5 meters from tip to tip, about twice the length of an average person. The model is posed to display this incredible feature with a massive 19 centimeters total width, making it a great feature piece for any collection. The colour is a very basic black and white, but totally believable, although we felt the white markings on the wingtips could be more neatly applied. The feather detail and structure are good, as are the overall proportions. The use of leaves between the legs to provide balance seems an odd choice, and we think a coastal grass may have been more appropriate. A grassy base and a gap between the legs would be even better. Even so, if you like big, impressive birds, this model is for you. Every now and then we review a figurine and know without a doubt that it's going to be a hit. CollectA have outdone themselves with their 2016 turkey. The model is very cleverly balanced on its outer wings, allowing the feet to be posed in a smart strutting action. The plumage is amazing, giving the bird a proud, puffed up appearance as he displays his colours to his female. The greens and reds on the feather tips look even better in real life, with a wonderful metallic shimmery effect. Highly recommended. Do not miss out on adding the turkey to your collection. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more, subscribe and let your imagination run wild.